Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about spatial flow models, gravity model and its variants. This is a complete study guide for UGC NET exam preparation. If you are new in my YouTube channel, just kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, let's start the class. What are spatial flow models? Okay, definition. Spatial flow models are mathematical frameworks used to explain and predict the movement of people, goods and information or capital between geographic locations based on measurable attributes. Okay, quantitative approach use mathematical equations to model real-world spatial interaction. Their predictive power also forecast trade flows, migration patterns and commuting behaviors. Then planning tool aid urban and regional planners in infrastructure and policy decisions. Okay, spatial interaction models are rooted in Newton's law of universal gravitation, a key analogy for your UGC NET exam perspective. Okay, the gravity model core concept origin Newton's analogy proposed by W.J. Rayleigh in 1929 and later formalized by Stewart in 1948. Interaction between two places is directly proportional to their population, that is mass, and inversely proportional to the distance between them. Okay, this is the gravity model formula where G is equal to gravitational constant, P is equal to population, D is equal to distance, N is equal to friction exponent, usually 2. Okay, I, J, interaction volume of flow between places I and J, migration, trade and commuting. Distance decay, interaction flow falls as distance increases and controls rate of decay. Mass attractiveness, population or economic size of origin, destination larger is equal to more interaction. Okay, larger population, more interaction. Calibration constant empirically determine constant to fit model to observe data. Okay, remember that n is the distance exponent and when n is equal to 2, it perfectly mimics Newton's gravitational law. Okay, coming to our realist law of retail gravitation, this is the formula. Business drawn from town, population and distance from immediate town. Key propositions: two cities attract trade from intermediate towns in proportion to their populations and inversely with square of distances. Larger city means greater retail pool. Closer city means greater retail pool. Okay, used to find the breaking point between two cities' trade areas. Breaking point formula, this is the formula. The breaking point is a location where consumers are equally likely to shop in either city. BP lines, breaking point lines, closer to the smaller city. Applied in delineating market areas, trade zones and retail hinterlands. Okay, breaking point is a favorable MCQ topic. Breaking point is always closer to the smaller city. Okay, Stafford's model of intervening opportunities. Core idea is that the number of migrants from origin to destination is directly proportional to the number of opportunities at the destination and inversely proportional to the number of intervening opportunities. Okay, M is equal to K multiplied by OD and OINT. Okay, M is equal to migration, OD means opportunities at destinations and OINT means intervening opportunities. This is the origin place, this is the destination place. There are some intervening opportunities between these two places. Okay, distance is not the primary factor, opportunities matter more. People migrate to the nearest place offering sufficient opportunities. Critique of pure gravity model adds behavioral realism. Application internal migration, rural urban movement in India. Okay, Stafford's 1940s challenged the gravity model. It is not distance but intervening opportunities that matter. Okay, population potential model concept John Q. Stewart in 1948. Potential at any place I is the sum of mass population of all other places divided by distance from each. This is the formula. Sum Pj Dij. Vj means potential at I, Pj means population of j, Dij means distance between I and j. Okay, analogy: just as gravitational potential measures cumulative pool of all masses, population potential measures accessibility to population. Applications and significance. Market potential: identify best locations for new businesses, malls and commercial hubs. Transporting planning: local routes, railways, airports for maximum accessibility. Regional development: areas of low potential leads to identity backward and peripheral regions. Electoral geography: model voter accessibility and campaign resource allocation. Okay, higher potential is equal to more accessible central location and lower potential is equal to peripheral or backward region. Okay, entropy maximizing model, Wilson 1970, proposed by A.G. Wilson in 1970, uses the concept of entropy from physics, thermodynamics to derive the gravity model mathematically, making it theoretically rigorous and eliminating the need for an ad hoc analogy. Wilson's 4 types of spatial interaction model: unconstant, doubly free, no constraints on origin or destinations totals, simplest form of gravity model; origin constant, production, total flows from each origin are fixed, used for residential location models; destination constant, attraction, total flows to each destination are fixed, used for shopping center models; and doubly constants, fully constant, both origin and destination totals are fixed, used for commuting journey to work models. Wilson's model is theoretically the most robust. Double constant is most commonly tested in UGC NET examination. Okay. There is a comparison of spatial flow models proposed by key variables and main application. Okay, gravity model proposed by Newton and Stewart in 1948. Key variable of mass and distance. Main application, migration, trade, and commuting. Rayleigh's law, Rayleigh by 1929, key variable, retail pull, breaking point, and main application, retail trade area delineation. Intervening opportunities theory by Stafford in 1940, key variable, opportunities, not distance, main application, internal migration patterns. Okay, potential model proposed by Stewart 1948, key variables, cumulative accessibility, main application, market site analysis. Entropy model proposed by Wilson 1970, key variables, statistical entropy, and main application, urban transport modeling. So this is a comparison between different modelings between of spatial flow. Okay, memo is this table. Year of proposals and proposers and applications are frequently asked. These are some importance. Criticism and limitations of gravity model. Atheoretical or ad hoc, initially lacked theoretical justification, mere analogy to physics. Wilson's entropy model resolved this. Distance oversimplification uses Euclidean distance, ignores travel time, cost, infrastructure, and perceived distance. Aggregate level only models, aggregate flows cannot account for individual decision making or behavioral differences. Parameter estimation, values of n, distance, exponent, and z require calibration from observed data, varies by context. Ignores qualitative factors, culture, language, political barriers, social networks, and personal ties are not captured. Static model does not account for temporal changes or evolving spatial patterns over time. Atheoretical and ignores qualitative factors are most cited criticism in NET exams. Okay, applications in Indian context. Railway network planning. Gravity model used to estimate passenger flow between major Indian cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata. Helps prioritize rail infrastructure investment. Retail trade areas. Rayleigh's law applied to delineate trade zones between tier 2 cities, example between Nasik and Pune or Agra, Mathura, determines BP for commercial planning. Electoral geography. Spatial interaction models used to analyze voter availability, campaign resource allocation, and voting pattern modeling across constituencies. Rural urban migration. Starpass model applied to study migration from Bihar, UP, Rajasthan to Mumbai and Delhi NCR. Intervening cities like Lucknow act as opportunities filter. Industrial location. Potential model used in locating SEZs and industrial corridors to maximize accessibility to raw material and labor markets. Trade and export. Gravity model estimates bilateral trade between India and its partners. Strong predictor used by NITI Aayog and WTO trade economists. Indian examples make answers stand out, combined with model formulas in descriptive questions. NET exam quick revision point. Who first proposed the gravity model for a social phenomena? Julian Stewart in 1948, adapted from Newton's law. Question 2. Rayleigh's law is primarily applied to retail trade area delineation and breaking point analysis. Stafford's key argument against the gravity model: it is opportunities, not distance, and that determine migration. Wilson's entropy model derived a gravity model from statistical mechanics, entropy maximization, and principle. In gravity model, what does n is equal to 2 signify? Distance exponent is equal to 2, perfectly analogy to Newton's law. Breaking point lies closer to the smaller city, lesser population. Doubly constant model is best suited for journey to work or commuting flow models. Population potential is lowest in peripheral, remote, and backward regions. Okay, thank you. Spatial flow models, gravity models and variance. Gravity model, Rayleigh's law, Starpass interval opportunities, population and potential model, Wilson entropy model, criticism and Indian application. In this class, we have discussed these themes. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.